Hi, I'm Jocelyn. Welcome to or back to my channel. Fall is my absolute favorite season, and my mom and I always go ham for fall with decorating. I just love the scents, the flavors, everything about fall, the weather. It is by far my favorite season. So every year throughout our entire house, we always transform the house and put up lots of decorations, but I also do that in my room. So today I wanted to give you guys a glimpse and kind of a sneak peek into what I do to transform my room for fall. So grab your tea, your water, your snacks, and let's get decorating. The best place to start the cleaning or decorating process in a bedroom is always the bed. It's the biggest immediate change because of how much space it takes up. I switched out my brown striped comforter for a white one, and then to bring some color to this blank canvas, I added some pillows, and on the bottom corner, I layered a gray and a maroon blanket. On my dresser, I used a white pumpkin from Michael's and changed out the saying on my board to say sweater weather. Then using a few supplies, a vase, a bundle of fake flowers, and twine, I put together a little fall-inspired flower arrangement. Then I took a sign I got from Michael's a few years back that says, "Every year I fall for pumpkins, bonfires, s'mores, autumn leaves, apples, and you." Over on my nightstand, I set up my candle warmer and tried out a few different setups with the sign and pumpkins I have. This pumpkin is once again from Michael's. This is where I shoot a lot of my videos, and I wanted the background to be cuter than just this blank wall with the nail in it. So this is the next area I'm gonna work on. Using some clear command strip hooks, I hung up 2 black grid frames. I didn't measure them, so they might not be exactly straight, but they serve the purposes. Then I strung some fairy lights through the holes. It was a lot more difficult than I expected it to be. I wanted some white clothespins to use on these frames, but I didn't have any, so I painted the regular brown ones that I already had. In addition to the clothespins, I have some Polaroids and other knick-knack pieces of paper to hang up on the grids. It was still looking kind of bare, so I went to Canva and made 2 recipe cards for pumpkin bread and a pumpkin spice latte to hang up. I also decided to bring out the true elementary school craft skills by cutting out some pumpkins. I did not realize how rusty my skills were going into this, and there were definitely some designs scratched. I use some gold washi tape to hang up the pumpkins in a way that makes them look like they have golden stems. In the space underneath my frames, I covered my storage bin with a white fur blanket and added a few pillows. Because my bookshelf is chaotic as is, I didn't do much other than switch out the few knickknacks I already had up there with some pumpkins. Over on my other dresser, I used a rose gold wire basket to showcase a few of my favorite scarves. I am definitely that person that you see wearing cardigans and scarves and hats and gloves because I love the cold weather. On my dry erase / cork board, I wrote a happy fall with an orange marker. Once again consulting my crafting skills, I decided to cut out some leaves using this goldish colored paper I had in a drawer. I wanted to make a sort of garland out of those cutouts and a few of the leftover pumpkins I made. I measured out some twine to the correct length, then taped the pieces on. If I were to do it again, I would definitely cut out double and glue them together with the twine in between, because when the pieces flip, you can see the zebra washi tape I used to hold it together. If you enjoyed watching me decorate my room for fall and do this whole transformation, then don't forget to give this video a like, and if you'd like to see more things like this and other content that I put out, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!